I prefer to bake over stovetop cooking, but it doesn't mean I should know how to properly cook with my stainless steel pans. First, grab all the ingredients that you will be cooking with. Be sure to have enough cooking oil as well. Place your pan on the stovetop and begin heating it on a medium-low to medium setting. The key to perfect nonstick cooking is making sure your pan is the right temperature, and you can do that with a simple water test. As the pan heats up, we're going to add some drops of water to the pan. If the water just sits there, it's definitely not ready, and when it begins to bubble, it's getting closer. And if the water splatters like this, then the pan is much too hot. Lower the temperature and let it cool down a bit. When it's reached the right temperature, the water will form into this single bead and it will skim and glide over the pan surface. Isn't that cool? Just simply wipe out the excess water and add in your cooking oil and disperse that throughout the pan. Next, add in your ingredients and watch it glide along the pan surface. I'm still new to doing this properly, and I had a little bit of stuck on egg here and there, but practice makes perfect. I'll get there. Enjoy.